I warmly welcome you all on the occasion of our company's anniversary on behalf of our CEO, Mr. Bhartendu Vimal, and his better half, Mrs. Smriti Vimal, for having completing 8 years successfully. So on today's occasion, I would like to say a few words. Companies are basically like families. We build them together with all our hearts, putting them our blood and sweat to solemnly for one purpose, that is to make our dreams come true and to make it flourish. Similarly, as the way we do it in the family, we take care of each other. We take care of their responsibilities. The same thing happens for us in our company. We do take care of each other's responsibilities to successfully make our dreams come true. The dream of taking our company onto the best list of the company. We are committed to our services and work. Today, on this fortunate day of us completing our successful year, I welcome you all on this auspicious day. Now, I would like Milan sir to take over, who is the Technical and Operations Manager of STEM Consultancy and STEM Intech.
Hello. Yeah, sorry. Hi, good evening, everyone. Myself, Nilan Shahuja, Assistant Manager, Technical and Operations at STEM Consultancy, looking after all the operation assignments for Pan India and abroad. So here I would like to introduce you to the STEM Consultancy, our profile. We have STEM Consultancy are working as a service provider. We intend in the year 2013 as a proprietorship firm, and in 2016 we came into partnership firm, and we are working underneath the business of a service provider to measure of the third party clients, and we are working with our major excellence and consistent premises of our patterns. Overview: Mesa STEM Consultancy is a service provider registered in 2013. STEM Consultancy is administered in the principal business name of industry affiliates in the realm of presenting to our customer services in India and as well as abroad. This is our vision, mission, our aim and slogan. We provide timeless bound professional service with speed, efficiency and responsibility. Our mission is to become a company as a service provider of solution under one roof to source skills, talents, attitude, and capability wherever it exists and make them available whenever and wherever they are needed. We aim at 100% client satisfaction with a strong face of quality, qualified, dedicated, highly experienced, and energetic professional. Our slogan is to serve to you and society. These are the milestones which we have carried till now. 2013, we founded as a proprietorship firm. Then 2014, company has launched its website and got recognized by the customers. 2015, we have rapidly developed and built a team of professional and experienced engineers. Then 2016, we obtained Udyog Aadhaar certification 9001 and we registered as a partnership firm. 2017, we came into company regulation, improved training system and improved business associate to facilitate worldwide inspection and expediting assignment. 2018, we obtained India 5000 Best MSME Award, started up with HR solution, facility management, real estate and innovation. 2019, we were into process of startup the training services. In 2019, we applied to start independent third-party inspection, expediting, testing, and certification services. Then 2019, STEM CEO obtained India 500 Best CEO Award. 2020, we have developed most enterprising business awards at MSME Global Conference. Then STEM CEO obtained most enterprising excellence award for quality and services on national seminar. Then STEM participated in Business Conclave 2020. We also received Gold Star for excellent quality and services from Kazakhstan. We obtained NSIC certificate. Then we have successfully developed STEM Intech LLP, which would be working as an independent third party, and we are into process of taking ISO 17020 certification for it. Then we are awarded with a certificate for STEM Intech LLP, that is quality and business standard, Udyog registration certificate, etc. Then these are the list of certificates which we have obtained till now. One is ISO 9001, then MSME 5000 Best Award, then MSME 500 Best CEO Award, then Udyog Aadhaar, then NSIC. This is about our CEO, Mr. Bhartendu Shah. He is educationally a mechanical engineer, mechanical mathematics honor and post-graduated in LSW equivalent to management degree. He has received many certificates into cultural and technical things. He is actively associated in social, cultural, and spiritual organization and activities. He is member of Art of Living, Enlightened Spiritual and Sports Society. He is presently admitted founder member of Summit Nivedi, then Trust Sanjay Yogak, and founder member of Navi Mumbai Mathili Trust. Founder member of Bharati Seva Sanstha, life member of Chetna Samiti. In technical and industry membership, he is a advisory board member of India 5000 5000 Business Awards. Then MSM, then member of NACE India section, life member of ISNT, associate member of IIW, and honored member of Who's Who, and have been awarded with these prestigious achievements by Chief Minister of Bihar, Mr. Nitish Kumar, at the Chetna Samiti, Patna, for social and cultural activities and contribution in the year 2018. Then by TQV, the benchmark MSME 5000 for quality excellence in 2018. By TQV and the benchmark India 500 Best CEO in 2019. By MSME Chamber of Commerce for most enterprising business in 2020. By NARA Business Excellence in 2020. Then we see the practically talk about our company. Nature of business, we are service provider. Company CEO Bhartendu Vimal. Total number of employees 50 to 100. Year of establishment 2013. Legal ship status of firm, it is partnership firm. Then this is
Voice is not audible, Nilesh. Hello. Hello.
industry, then infrastructure, manufacturing, construction, marine, and telecom. These are the inspection, expediting, and testing services which we perform as of now: welding inspection, pipeline inspection, general inspection, industrial plant inspection, coating and painting inspection, quality inspection, PSI, then shutdown, equipment, safety and rotary, both structural inspection. Then expediting, we are doing industrial expediting, quality control supervision, procedure preparation for WPSPQ or WPQT, then follow with the production plan, field, as well as DEX expediting. Then for testing, we have conventional entity method, that is ultrasonic, UTRT, PT, ET, LPT, and ET. Then as of now, we have not got any major assignment for advanced entity except thickness gauging. We are working, we can do PAUT, then TOFD, corrosion mapping, remote field eddy current testing, then pulse eddy current testing, then PMI. These are the photographs of our inspectors who have worked in abroad and pan India. We have worked in static equipment, special vessel heat exchanger, column, condenser, evaporators, boiler, and HRSG. Then rotating equipment, centrifugal and volumetric pump, pumps and vacuum, then steam turbines and gas turbines, motors. These are the other bought-out items, bulk items in which we perform inspection, that is flanges, pipe laying, fasteners, pressure gauges, temperature gauges, gasket, stud. Then some of the electrical equipments, electric motor panel, transformers, control panel, power cable, and switches. These are the inspection, expediting, and testing assignment which we have conducted till now, till date. Total mandate we have covered 30,722 for pan India. Then for abroad project assignment which we have done till now, as of now, is 180, and total mandates including project and shop inspection is 1358 from 2013 to 2021. These are the list of projects involved, like Thimbal water pipeline, then Dangote refinery, Bina refinery, Panipat, HPCL refinery, JGL. Then we have involved in these projects, IBRI IPP project, gas transmission pipeline project, then Petronas Malaysia, Buxar thermal plant, then ONGC. These are the mandate utilization chart for pan India and abroad from 2013 to 2021 till date. This is the inspection expediting mandates for project and shop inspection. Shop inspection we have done in overseas, that is 1358. We have worked in Argentina, Indonesia, Taiwan, Turkey, US, Mexico, China, Spain, Germany, and many more. These are the inspection assignments which we have covered at major vendor worldwide. Coperion is there, Mandiesel and Turbo is there, Sundyne is there, Adams is there, Drillmac is there. So we have covered majorly all major vendors. This is the growth rate since last years we have achieved till now. 2014 to 15, 30,613 USD. Then 2019-20, 3,62,211 USD. Then 2020 and 21, we have covered around
$4,231 USD. These are the technical services which we provide as of now. Expert services for technical support, failure, RCA, root cause analysis, IBR inspection, Indian boiler inspection, Indian boiler regulation inspection, then asset integrity management, second party audit for ISO 9001, 14001 and 18001. Then second party inspection for 9000, 14000 and 18,000. HAZOB, HAZID, C, EIA, SIL, project technical support, welding corrosion and NDT technical support. NDT inspection in level 2 and level 1 in UT, RT, PT, MTBT. Then welding inspection, paint and coating inspection, behavioral and technical inspection, internal auditor, basic training on piping. Then design review we can do for mechanical, electrical and civil. Then project planning, analysis of structures, pipes, etc. AutoCAD drafting work. Certification we can get it done through some support of some third party, that is for plant, system and product. These are the HR solution services which we are providing as of now, that is payroll, consulting, training, recruitment and outsourcing. These are the sectors in which we are providing these HR solution activities. We serve oil and gas industry, energy, power, steel, refineries, petrochemical, infrastructure, transportation, marine, real estate, hotel industry, manufacturing, education sector, pharma industry and insurance sector. These are the services which we do for HR, recruitment, outsourcing, HR and payroll, consulting and training. As of now, we have not covered any real estate and renovation work, but still we have covered some of the things in real estate and renovation. Lists are here, that is lease a office, decorate your spaces, then make your homes, then old building converting into external waterproofing, then external and internal floor work, then painting work, then bathroom designing, then waterproofing, then plumbing system and electrical work. This is the facility management services we can provide as of now, that is event management, corporate event, person get together, seminar and conferencing, social gatherings. This is a list of our offices and contact details. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to everyone. So I was just speaking about the STEM Tech, so which was launched in the year 2020. So this is the agenda for today. So I'll be discussing on how we have started. Then I'll be talking about the service and sector where we are doing, and then our work process. Then whatever the achievements that we have achieved. Okay. So as you all know about STEM, so our vision is to provide class STEM bound professional services with speed, efficiency, and responsibility. So whereas our mission is to become a company as a provider of solutions under one roof, to source skills, talents, attitude, and capability wherever it exists, and make them available wherever they are needed. So our aim is we provide 100% client satisfaction with qualified, dedicated, highly experienced, and energetic personnel, those who are working with us. And our slogan is to serve to you and the society. So as you are aware about our company, so STEM Consultancy was a is a service provider. So it was intended in the year 2013 as a STEM consultancy, and in the year 2016, partnership is embedded the principal business naming of the industry, advanced in their aim of presenting to our customer services. So we are basically providing services in the following sectors: inspection and expediting, testing. These are the two sectors that we are providing services majorly. Then apart from that, we are also providing services in outsourcing, recruitment, project PHSC management. Then the other part is consulting, training, engineering, construction, and certifications. So these are the areas where we are working. Yeah. So about STEM Tech LLP. So it's a STEM Tech LLP regarding our company entry into a market, specifically in inspection. So it's a independent third party, which is basically focusing on testing, expediting, and certification for mechanical, electrical, and civil field. So inspections, as you are all aware, that inspection basically we are doing for the pipeline equipment, shutdown inspection, vendor inspection. So these are the inspections that we are basically doing. Then apart from that, in the expediting, the factory acceptance, industrial expediting, desk and field expediting, quality control supervisions. Then in testing, so basically we are performing the entity testing, in which entity is also having a very vast area. So it is consisting of UT, RT, MPI, DP, visual testing, and followed by the eddy current testing. So And then there are certifications. So QMS and IMS certification services we are providing. Then ISO 9001, 14000 and 45000 certification assessment also we are providing. So talking about the STEM consultancy and STEM Intech. So STEM Intech is basically a system concern of the STEM consultancy. So I'll be starting from the beginning. So STEM consultancy, it was launched in the year 2013, and foundation stone was laid on in 2013. Whereas in 2016, STEM consultancy, we got our certification ISO 9001 and 2015 system certification we received in 2016. And in 2018, we have obtained 5,000 Best MSME awards. And followed by in 2019, our CEO, Mr. Bhartendu Vimal, he has won the award for 500 Best CEO awards, under 500 Best CEO awards. Then in 2020, we also got Most Enterprising Business Award at MSME Global Conference. Then in the same year at 2020, STEM Family started a new vertical, which is called as STEM Intech LLP. Yeah. So our service range and sector. So STEM Intech is basically focusing on manufacturing sector, power and energy sector, civil infra, and oil and gas. So these are the listed services that we are providing: quality control and quality assurance, quality procedures development, inspections, ensure safety and life of various critical engineering processes, quality control supervisions, field and test expediting, ND services, certifications we are providing, then vendor plant inspections, then static and rotatory equipments, and followed by the testing also. Then electrical panel cables inspection, civil work structure inspections. So these are some of the inspections or testing so which comes under the STEM Intech LLP. So these are some of the certificates that we have received. Okay, so the first one is the quality certificate, STEM Intech LLP, and the second one is MSME registration certification, and the third one is the GST registration certificate. So talking about STEM Intech LLP more, so it's a vertical of STEM family which recently entering into a market, specifically in the inspection, second party, independent, third party, testing, expediting, and certification, as I discussed earlier. So we are glad to introduce our company to all our prospect clients and our connections to provide information about the STEM Intech LLP working area and specification and service that we provide. So basically, we are currently operating in a market located in Pan India as well as few global locations, and are excited to be expanding our reach to the all over global location. So as we are in the service, as we are in the quality field of industry, and almost all sectors require our services of inspections, testing, and expediting work at various site and shop locations. So we have kept a target of total customer certifications with our service and to work together with various clients to better serve our final customer. So at STEM Intech LLP, we provide quality-related services like quality control and quality assurance that help our customers improve and develop their production, minimize risk factors, and give confidence about their own products. Also, it is clear that various organizations working in the oil and gas, power and energy, water, civil infra, manufacturing sector, where this inspection-related activities are very crucial and important. So STEM Intech is now startup in this sector, but our system concerns STEM consultancy providing manpower service in this sector from last 7 years, and we have a strong support of STEM consultancy for various activities. We are positively looking forward to provide our best service to various clients in all over the globe. Yeah. So this is how we are working under the STEM Intech process, how the work is being. So the first part is the planning part, so which consists of quality concepts, objectives, product liability, and product safety training for quality control of quality and services. So basically, we understand about we understand about the what the plan is. Then we go for the second step, which is the just-in-time supplies, process capability and reliability, documentations and record standards, standardization, conformity and compatibility. Then the third is the check, in which introduction to statics, control charts, inspection, functional testing, methodology, inspection, quality plan is done. So basically, in this process, the main inspection is performed, and then in the next process, managing non-conformity, continuous improvement, certifications, ISO and relevant cultural and organization aspects, quality, health, safety, and environmental management system, and integration. So these 4 steps this is how a process is done. Then we analyze it, okay, and the same process are repeated again and again to to improve the productivity. So this is how a STEM intake process works. So these are some of inspection testing activity that we are performing in the worldwide abroad countries. So basically, in June 2018, okay, we have completed almost 1,358 assignment, and as we can see that maximum numbers are in the Argentina, then followed by China, and in almost every part of the country, okay, most of the part of the country we have completed at least 1 month projects. And this is the graph showing for the pan-India locations. So state-wise number of mandates completed almost 1,368 all across pan-India location in till 2020-21. So these are the some of the states, okay, where we have completed almost. We are touching each and every state. So there are some parts remaining. So we are also focusing on those parts of the India, to complete our projects. So inspection and testing activities. So as you can see that in the western region we have completed most number of projects, almost 518 till for the year of 2021. So then followed by the southern region, it is almost like 468, and almost like 28 to 30 we have completed in the eastern region. So we are basically expanding our legs in the eastern region nowadays. So basically we are focusing more on the eastern regions. Yeah, so this is how if someone reaches to us, so the step one is like they send the inquiry to via the mail or via the address. Then step two is we basically understand what is the inquiry, whether the inquiry is regarding the inspection or whether the inquiry is regarding the expediting or any other thing. So we understand that inquiry, we analyze that inquiry, okay, and then we execute our inspectors, okay, whatever the manpower we are having. So accordingly, we engage our inspectors to that location. So this is how a process is done in planning and executing the things.